If you want to make your edits feel more professional, more energetic, and way more sync to the music, then learning how to use auto-sync beat in CapCut is a game changer. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to import your media, generate beat markers, and line up your clips so everything hits on the rhythm perfectly. This is one of the easiest ways to make your videos look clean, fast-paced, and more engaging, even if you're just starting out. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project. Once your workspace loads, bring in the media you want to edit. You can drag your video clips, photos, or any other visual assets directly into the timeline. At the same time, import the background music you want to sync your edit to. The key here is to make sure both your visuals and your audio are already placed into the project because CapCut needs the music track in the timeline before it can detect beats properly. Now, go down to your timeline and click on your music track. You'll know it's selected when it becomes highlighted. This step is important because CapCut needs to know which audio file you want it to analyze for beat detection. If the wrong clip is selected, the beat markers won't generate correctly, so always double check that you've clicked the music track and not one of your video clips. Once the audio is selected, look for the Mark Beats button. This is usually shown as a flag icon in the toolbar right above the timeline. Click that icon and CapCut will give you its auto beat options. This is where the software starts analyzing the music and placing markers based on the rhythm of the track. From here, you'll usually see two AI generation options in the dropdown. The first option is Beat 1. This mode places markers on the main heavy beats of the song. It's the better choice if you want cleaner cuts, slower pacing, or a more standard editing style. The second option is Beat 2. This one generates more markers, including both major beats and sub beats. That makes it perfect for fast-paced edits, energetic montages, transition-heavy videos, and content that needs a lot more movement. If you're unsure which one to pick, here's the simple rule. Use Beat 1 for smoother, more controlled edits, and use Beat 2 when you want your video to feel faster and more dynamic. After selecting your preferred rhythm option, let CapCut generate the beat markers. You'll see the beat dots appear along the timeline, giving you a visual guide for where each cut should land. Now comes the part where everything starts to come together. To make your clip snap perfectly to those beat markers, turn on timeline snapping. This is usually the magnet icon at the top right of the timeline. When snapping is enabled, your clips will lock into place much more easily, which helps you align cuts exactly with the beat dots. This saves a ton of time and makes your edit look much cleaner. Next, drag the edges of your video clips so they line up with the markers. As you move them closer, they should automatically snap into the correct position. This is one of the biggest advantages of using AutoSync Beat, because instead of manually trying to guess the timing, you can just follow the markers and let CapCut do the hard part for you. If you're editing photos, you can do the same thing by adjusting the duration of each image so it changes exactly on the beat. If you want a faster workflow, there's also a quick trim method you can use. Move your playhead to one of the yellow markers, then press Ctrl+B to instantly split the clip. After that, you can delete the extra section and move on to the next beat. This is especially useful when you're working on longer edits and want to cut quickly without dragging every clip manually. It's a simple shortcut, but it can save a lot of time once you get used to it. The real secret to making this look great is consistency. Don't just place random cuts everywhere. Try to keep your visual changes aligned with the strongest beats in the music. That way, your edit feels intentional and polished instead of chaotic. Whether you're making a slideshow, a gaming montage, a travel video, or a short-form social media edit, syncing your cuts to the beat instantly makes the final result more satisfying to watch. And if something doesn't line up perfectly on the first try, don't worry. Just zoom in on the timeline, fine-tune the clip edges, and use the beat markers as your guide. The more you use this feature, the faster you'll get at recognizing which rhythm option works best for your style of editing. So that's how to use AutoSync Beat on CapCut. You import your media, select the audio, generate beat markers, choose the beat style that fits your edit, turn on snapping, and line up your clips to the rhythm. It's a simple process, but it can completely change the way your videos feel. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.